Well, hello there. I am here to show you our brand new subscription box. Already, can you believe, it's 31. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right in, but let's just take a wee look at some of the things that you can be getting within the actual box. So it makes at least 24 cards, over 230 elements. Let's go right back and straight into the box and we'll see it in a great detail. As you know by now, you get your welcome from Sarah, just telling you a wee bit about the project kit, and we're also getting that little card as well. So this is all about our spinners. So we get the die set as well. So you get your nesting die, you also get the actual die that works in conjunction with your stamps. Now you've got this one, look at that one, can you tell? It's a dolphin. You've got the little accents, and this time you've got the heart to go with it as well, although you can mix and match if you so wish. But you need the actual stamps to go with it. So you can see on this one here, these are what's going to make your spinners within the middle. So on this one, you've got your dolphins, you've got your mermaids, look at all these sentiments as well, and look at the font, really nice readable fonts. But then if we take our next stamp set, we can see we've got the little boy, we've got the little girl. Colour them, ink them with any different colour inks that you've got, but you've got your sentiments as well. Once again, they mix and match in conjunction. You even get your card blanks in total. So you've got your card blanks, 6x6, 5x7 and A6 size, envelopes to go with them. Always need our envelopes. Why not decorate them as well? All adds to the fun of your cards. But then, can you see everything else that you're getting still within the box? You're even getting your twine. This is then going to make the spinner within the middle of the card. You're getting that included. You can colour it, mix and match when it comes to your actual spinners. Drew dots, not just any gems or pearls, but these are nice clear C3. However, what you can still do is ink them with your tri-blends or even your class E's. Then we're giving you your 8x8 papers as well. So a selection of different pastel colours. We've got patterns when it comes to your pinks, your blues, your mints, your ivories, purples, lilacs. Look at that brickwork that you can see there, the clouds. But then we're giving you pure colour cardstock to go with it. So matte and layers, or just make them so you can do your die cuts, stamp onto them as well if you want. All of that is coming included within your brand new box. Then getting your envelopes, you're getting your card blanks, you're getting your twine, you're getting your Drew dots, and then of course you also need your stamps and your dice to actually make your spinner element. So all of that comes included within your brand new Twirling Characters Craft Kit number 31.